Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are preparing a colorful and delicious bento box featuring salmon, tamagoyaki, and mustard-mayo dressed nanohana. Bento boxes are a wonderful way to enjoy a variety of flavor and texture in one meal, and we are excited to show you how to make one. So let's get started! First, let's cut the nanohana to separate the leaves from the stems. Cut them in half. Nanohana is a precious ingredient in Japan, available only during a specific season. If you can't find nanohana, you can substitute it with spinach or komatsuna. Feel free to use other vegetables if nanohana isn't available. Boil water with 1 teaspoon of salt. While waiting, prepare the egg mixture for the tamagoyaki. Combine egg, sugar, soy sauce, and salt, mixing them gently to avoid creating foam. Once the water boils, add nanohana stems and boil for 1 minute. Then add leaves and boil for another minute. Prepare a bowl of cold water after boiling the nanohana. Immediately transfer it to the cold water. This stops the cooking process, preventing overcooking from the residual heat and helps to enhance the vibrant green color of the nanohana. Drain and dry the nanohana. Meanwhile, prepare the mustard-mayo dressing in a medium bowl by mixing mayonnaise, mustard, soy sauce, Then add the well-drained nanohana to the mixture and combine thoroughly. And with that, it's complete. For the tamagoyaki, prepare a small piece of kitchen paper soaked in oil. Making a tamagoyaki is easier with a rectangular frying pan, so if you are looking to try making a tamagoyaki, I'd recommend getting a rectangular pan for the best result. First, heat the frying pan over medium heat and coat it with oil, making sure to oil the edges as well. Heat the pan thoroughly. To check if it's ready, slide the chopstick that you used to beat the eggs across the pan. If the egg mixture solidifies immediately, it's ready. Pour 1/3 of egg mixture into the pan, moving the pan to spread the egg evenly. Depending on your stove, medium heat might be too high, so adjust to medium-low if necessary. Once the eggs start to set, hold in the thread from the back. Then oil the pan again. Move the folded egg to the back and pour in half of the remaining mixture. Spread the egg mixture under and around the folded egg. Once it's set, hold it in 3 like before. Again, oil the pan, place the folded egg at the back, and pour in all the remaining mixture. Make sure it's spread under and around the egg. Then hold it in 3 once it's set. Shape the tamagoyaki using the sides of the pan. Once shaped, place it on plastic wrap. Wrap it to maintain its shape and let it cool slightly before cutting to prevent losing its shape. Finally, cook the salmon. Start by seasoning it with salt and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Skip this step if using pre-salted salmon. Use kitchen paper to dry the salmon thoroughly, then place it on frying pan lined with cooking paper. Cook for 2 minutes over medium heat, then cover and reduce the heat to low, waiting until the top turns white. It will take about 3 to 4 minutes. Once white, remove the lid. Turn up the heat and cook until the other side gets crispy. Flip the salmon and cook for another 2 minutes over medium to high heat until done. For the bento assembly, start by cutting the tamagoyaki. As the bento will be carried around, try to handle the ingredient as little as possible with bare hand to prevent food poisoning. Place rice in the bento box. Since the salmon is large, arrange the rice diagonally to create space. It's easier to start plating larger items first in the bento box. I began with the tamagoyaki. All done! The salmon turns out to be bigger than expected, but it makes for a beautiful presentation. Sprinkling furikake on rice is optional. The satisfyingly large salmon, spicy nanohana, and tamagoyaki are perfect match and delicious. Let's look over what we used today. Thank you for watching our bento box tutorial. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make this wholesome and colorful meal. If you try making this at home, please share your experience in the comment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious Japanese cooking tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye bye!